Happy Sunday, guys, and welcome to the next update in the Mercedes Sprinter van build. Today I've been installing this. I'm quite happy with it. I still need to put some handles on it and that. As you can see, this is the cabinets I've been working on all day. I covered it in PVC. I will be doing something else with this. The PVC has left like slight lines, but this is highly open and they're on like little gas strut hinges, which I got from Amazon. Really good, pretty solid up there. It's really nice. Just open this one. Mr. Gonk is featuring in his first YouTube video. If you follow me on Instagram, this chap is going to be hiding. He's going to be like playing hide and seek in a lot of my posts. It's going to be a little bit like Where's Wally or Where's Waldo over in America. So keep an eye out for this chap. He's going to be photobombing all sorts of things. And finally, I've got one over the bed as well. And yeah, I think they're looking pretty good. That one's going to be all my clothes and stuff like that. Soft clothes as well. And they seem to be quite tight in. They're not really going to be moving whilst I'm driving around. So thank you very much for watching. And as usual, drop me that like and that comment and subscribe. That'd be really, really handy. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.